Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy Lucky Block token using different methods. So I will be using the Trust wallet for the video purpose. So as you can see, there are a lot of cryptos here, and here you can see the Lucky Block. If you don't see the Lucky Block, what you have to do is you have to simply click on receive and search for Lucky Block and click over here and then go back. You will be able to see the Lucky Block token in your Trust wallet. Now simply head to dApps and search for PancakeSwap. Go to PancakeSwap, and as you can see, you have to swap your BNB tokens with Lucky Block tokens. Lucky Block. So L Block. Since this is a test wallet, I don't have any BNB right now. And as you can see, as per the current exchange, I will receive around 260,000 Lucky Block tokens for one BNB. Guys, please note that you have to buy this BNB, the black one. Don't buy the BNB on the upper side, because then you will face the exchange charges. So this was method number one. The second method is go to their website, which is buy.luckyblock.com, and you need to connect your wallet over here. As you can see, my wallet is already connected. Now first step that you need to do is click on buy BNB. So the first option is deposit fiat. Fiat meaning you can pay in your currency and get the BNB tokens. So all these currencies are available. You can check what all currencies are available for you. And what you need to do is, let's say if I want to put in 1000 GBP, then I will receive around 3.09 BNB. The second option is, if you have some cryptos, you can exchange your cryptos to buy BNB. So if we go and check over here, there are other options. So these all tokens you can use. This option is good, like if you have a ERC20 token in your wallet and you want to convert it into BEP20 BNB, then this option is pretty good, because there's a huge gas fees for converting it with platforms like Binance or any other cryptocurrency exchange. So this method is good, because for exchanging Lucky Block tokens, you will need BEP20 BNB and not the BEP2. So this is the second option. The third option is you can create an account on LBank, and here you can directly buy the Lucky Block token from this cryptocurrency exchange. So currently these three are the ways where you can buy Lucky Block token. In case of doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment, and hopefully you guys like my video. Thank you for watching.